Uba Erwin sutengau legal advisor jongka Kongres ula Kynnoh, bana kaliang jongki politician ki badan hapok ka Sorkar jela, menta ki doni ka Jingthmu bandi ki Jaka Shaka Assam, Haka bakin sa siu ar folklore, syakini ki parti na ka Jingdi ki Jaka Shaka Assam. Habakran shikilat pathai khubor ba Erwin uloong ba umpat kwa ban ai bhai ka jingtim Henry menta ka don ka jingi penbe ye ka jingi khayi bar ka jingle politics ka ba e bha halor ka ne ka jingi sa mi ki Jaka ki don ki bri ki bala pentim babun na kini ki politician ki la don ni ka jingi te bandi kini ki Jaka Shaka Assam bat kin siu ar folklore shiki parti ba pher bad hadin balayo e ka jing shisha baro on sa penpau pai ba halor ka ne ka jingi de yathe di ki Jaka jong ka jella. Menta ka sengi ka Joint Action Committee ka bakan thop iki rang ba snong jekin riu tili ki snong bat ki sang bhalang na ka thain ribhoi district harangkat ka jinge senran lang bat ki dekhot jong ka Congress Party menta ka sengi ki lawan bu da ka dorkha sakhamat menteri rang ba ban kerpat bun penkut no swai ka jinge soi MOU hapdeng ka jela Assam bat Meghalaya. Henry na kaliang menteri rang ba ula kentaj ban yekendu yakini ki Kynnoh na ka daw babun ki jinge lang bat namar bagi khlam sim lupai kapor ban yekendu bat u Henry na kaliang kani ka Kynnoh kalabu da ka dorkhas bandawa na ka Sorkar jela bakan pendam no swai ka MOU ka baki laya soi dangshen halor ka jingpen be ji uput usam jongkin riu tili ki Jaka. Uba sutengau la berngamru balada ka Sorkar MDE ka le kelut ye kani ka jingdawa kinle ti jingkhang ha Supreme Court halor kani ka benta bar kani kan longkat kum ka article shispa life away ka badon ha ka course of action halor kani ka benta bat kermen baka court kan ai ka stay order halor kani ka benta.
Kiba mjui ini kiba don baik makiru kin saya keren himar findia sibet tengilawan mene sni ban submit ya ka memorandum kaba ngila thok bhai kani memorandum bat ngila ong takma CM badai ban pengkut no swai ya kani ka jinga soi ke jongki ya kani ke MOU bat ka Assam namar ba kinong rim kilong ba ngila pani kinong rim ki pasai namar belai ya ka Jaka ka puta ka jongi ba ka claim ka Assam hapo kata ka kendon ka badan hapo ka schedule 1 ka description jong ka Assam ka baki ong ki khasi states ya kani haji sisa claim pat ya bat claim pat ya keren ni kini Henry lasu bulldoze ya kani ka kam bat ngibu ya kani ka memorandum pen kedau ya ka government ba ka don ka notification 1876 ya ke Kosia Hills ke badai ki bala sai kedar bah ya kani ka put sodong jong ke hima khasi bat ter nang ta ki khat kadai sepak khatsan ki ter ngilap penpau lo di notification ki ba kala keren shahi yang tu bakini ki di Jaka khasi kawai ka bangim skau ya hap kalong ba hajing sisa la dei bandon ka consultation ka dei bandon ka ni ka involvement jongki autonomous district council namar beli maki ki di custodian of the land. The state government owns no land. Temanta hakanu ka nongrim on what basis is the state government negotiating over private land? Kalong ba hatu ka state government kala anam la ban pihak ka autonomous district. Ka autonomous district la penpau ba ki ka jurisdiction jang autonomous district kadon hapo ka para 20. Temanta la deki ong ban muslia saya kata bakin ong ba ka parliament kan amen ni kali kan mi ka jingaki ka besarkai. Kan mi ka jingaki ka besarkai namar ba kini ki perlok khantam ki perlok ki basa setai. Kibala im hakatu ka jing hapo ka border kisno thu iba inum la banyak imbat ka Assam kamtam la kamdon ka jing ai ya ka Jaka ka jing ya shai halor ka jing ya ai jong ka Jaka pi manta hapo mai khuli ki omba idi tangi pung dokha bo Henry kalong kumni we will not give 1 inch of tribal land. 1 inch of tribal land also is so precious to us. Namar boleh we have come into India by virtue of the instrument by virtue of section 7 of the Indian Independence Act, where all the Khasi Himas, they became free. We were never under India at any point of time. Hakajo kapor pada kami ka violation ya ka instrument of accession. Kami ro ika bu usa Saidullah udakot jong ka constituent assembly ong ba hakaski ba pass ya ka 6 ong ba kadon ka constitutional anomaly. Takani ka constitutional anomaly. kumno ki Jaka jong ki hima kasi. Kidang hap siya po Assam hakata kendon kasi states. Ya kani u LM Singvi but u VM Tarkunde argut ki constitutional experts kila ongba don kam bandai sa Supreme Court under Article 131 of the Constitution. Kadai tang Supreme Court the original court of jurisdiction kabala man rai haro kini. Tataka daw ngiro ni ongbiang ya state government baka day ban pansangay no season don ni ganika MOU ko bakilaya sai. Bada rajo kapor ka day ban don consultation baki Khasel Autonomous District Council bat ki Trajaka bat ki headman bat ki CM Raj bat ki CM chua bakin poi kanu ka jingya ya soi nomor beli state government has no locus standi to sign this katangi de bersutu they have no locus standi to sign anything on private land on right land on land of the community on land of the hima on land of the course haning idon ni basan ini iwan hang ni kumu private land ona ba imei jong i jingsa kini jong kini Jaka kila le Supreme Court ma basan in sabatai mi we have the हम लोग के साथ यहाँ पर
एक्शन कमिटी नंबर सुन को बा इनम kan sibon ban review bi ni ga MOU
kamdon jinga ban review ka MOU ka sulong no it is a matter of political convenience for the MDA government because after all big brother Assam is looking over their shoulder so since the BJP government is there in Assam they will have to abide by what Assam wants so now Assam is very happy we saw how Himanta Biswa Sharma, when he came to the NEPA, Northeastern Police Academy, his smile was from one ear to the other ear because he has got what he wanted. What is the signature of two chief ministers? Because this is a constitutional process, it has to go to parliament. The survey has to be done, and the people, you will not allow survey, I think. Will you allow survey करने को देगा उसको नहीं देगा नहीं हम लोग Supreme Court नंबर प्ले under Article 131 kadang ka course of action ni ingin sapat kan ibasan kiyo mesti order te halor kini ka kam halor ka Kynnoh ka jong me jong i kate Kynnoh kiyo mesti order te mantana kaliang ka jong ni kermen bangin yo mesti order. We cannot go to phase 2 number play there are 5 principles applied here. Principles of ethnicity, geographical contiguity, historical background, legal issues, etc. In fact, when they decided this 6 areas, they said that they have abided by this. Kila yang halor kini ginong rim hinray ngilak baki klam yan. Where in history, if they had stood on these principles which they had outlined, then why was 1876 not taken into consideration? Because 1876 is the beginning of everything. Why was it not taken into consideration? Okay, you want to give land to Assam, but it must be clear. It must be very clear. And I'll tell you, right now I will not give you the details, but there is big business and big politics going on. Because land, from the information that we got, a lot of these politicians who are in power, already the game is there to sell the land to Assam. A figure of about 20,000 crore also is there in the market. People are talking that 20,000 crores will be paid to certain parties once this land goes to Assam. So that we will see later. After we get all the facts, we will tell you about this big land deal.